Welcome to Extend Office. Here we will show you how to quickly create a data entry form in Excel using Kutools for Excel. Data form utility of Kutools for Excel. Supposing you have a big table with multiple columns of data. To quickly view and edit specific cells without dragging the scroll bar for each row, we need to create a data entry form with the data form utility. First, navigate to the Kutools tab. Then click View. Data Form. In the Data Form dialog box, click the drop-down list of scope to set the working scope. Here I selected Current Sheet. Here shows the number of all rows of data for you. In the text box, you can type the specified row number that you want to view the data. To quickly edit the data, click the text boxes in the Value section. Then input the new data as you need. Press Enter key to apply the change. Or click the Apply button to apply the change. You can click the New button to add a new blank row above the current row. Then you can click at the text boxes in the Value section to type new data one by one. Click the Apply button to apply the change. Undo Cell, Undo Entire Row buttons. These two buttons are used to reset data to original data. For example, to undo the changes you made in current cell, click the Undo Cell button. Click the previous one or the next one button to show the data in the preview or next row. Click the previous page or the next page button to show the data of the row in the previous page or next page of the current sheet. Click the Delete button to immediately delete the current row. Finally, clicking the Close button can exit the data form utility. Kutools for Excel with more than 300 essential and advanced features. Enjoy permanently free AI features now.